dead because you're not married. You're dead.
Isn't this
You're not
awful?
married. You're dead. I'm dead.
Brandon's pregnant though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm alive.
Wait, you're pregnant, James?
Of course. I'm alive like that tree. Yes. Alive. I am alive. I almost stayed down that way.
Yeah, in the mouth.
Freaky French word. Did you get that?
Word. Video.
No. What are you
Yeah, who
talking?
videos? Sydney.
Video.
Freaky French word.
This is a video, isn't it? No. You're gonna break the camera. Is this thing on? No. Whoa,
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Hey, look at my drink.
James, drink it off.